Hey everyone, this is the Kidwell Engineering and Design YouTube channel. I'm Ryan, this is my wife Cheyenne. I just wanted to do an introduction video going over everything that we may or may not be working on. Right now, my brother's garage, there's a 71 Camaro that will be getting Ride Tech front and rear suspension and LS swap, and he's going to be doing a lot of custom interior work once we get to that point. He's also got a 83 crew cab long bed square body Chevy that we've converted to 4-wheel drive, and it's got a small block. I've got a 78 K5 Blazer that needs about everything replaced on it, and I also have a 67 C10 that will eventually get an 8.1 liter with twin turbos. And then mainly I want to probably be doing fabrication, sheet metal work, stuff like that. But I like building just about anything, so you never know what I'm going to build.
He's a big fan of Poodan, so that's who's inspired him. I may or may not be in the videos. I don't know. Sometimes I'm usually just watching TV, support from the sidelines. So if you guys like watching rednecks just be goofy and build stuff, you guys will probably see his brother a lot. They're very funny together, so I think you guys will really enjoy the channel. Maybe Sean will do some of his 3D printing stuff.
Probably.
That'd be pretty cool. Wait till you guys meet his dad. That's even funnier.
Yeah, if it sounds like something you like, consider watching.
Please like and subscribe so one day this man can have the garage of his dreams. This is why we're starting this, in hopes that somebody thinks he's funny enough to watch him over and over, and we can have a big garage one day. The house doesn't even matter. He just wants a garage.
Yeah, just a small 60 by 120 is enough. So.
Okay, well, hopefully you guys like what you see. Love you, bye.
Thanks.
No, bye. You gotta do your bye.
Bye.